Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for September 12th, 2014. Of course, it's Friday and it's absolutely beautiful outside with clear skies, very cool air, and dew points very low. It just feels amazingly refreshing outside right now. Temperatures range from the mid to upper 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s in the New York City metropolitan area, and lower 60s in the Philadelphia metropolitan area, with winds from the northwest and north-northwest around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Feeling a little breezy out there along the Philadelphia metropolitan area and along the coast around 5 to 15 miles per hour. And you definitely feel the difference out there, especially with the low humidity. It just feels amazing out. How long will this last? Well, the cool air will last. The beautiful weather conditions, not so much. So let's get to the forecast and really break down everything. First of all, for today, tranquil weather conditions for today with temperatures rising into the upper 60s to lower 70s along the immediate coast, especially over Long Island, lower to mid 70s everywhere else for the New York City and Philadelphia metropolitan area. You can see high pressure, Canadian high pressure, dominating almost all of the eastern United States and central United States. However, this low pressure system right here is rapidly going to race to the east and move through the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area tomorrow afternoon and evening. And that's what's going to cause an increase in cloud cover tomorrow morning and the threat for showers tomorrow afternoon into the evening hours. Some of these showers could be heavy at times, but again, no severe weather is expected with this type of low pressure system because the track is generally over or just to the south and east of the northern mid-Atlantic. So overall, it's a typical fall-like weather pattern with a typical fall-like low pressure system with the threat for showers on Saturday. But the good news is that behind this low pressure system, this high pressure system builds back in, and that means excellent weather conditions for Sunday and for Monday with some very cool weather conditions. Taking a look at the radar, of course, over our neck of the woods, it's pretty dry. We do have some showers over the Delmarva Peninsula with the cold front continuing to press south. That will not impact our locations at all. But you can see out to the west, you see all these showers and a few thunderstorms really getting themselves organized. Now, what's going to happen here is that this disturbance and this disturbance will start to interact, lift northeast, and this batch of showers right here, showers and thunderstorms, will lift to the northeast. Again, I do not expect any threat for thunderstorms, but I do expect showers capable of some heavy downpours tomorrow evening. So if you have some outdoor plans, it's not a washout in any way, shape, or form, but do bring your umbrella for the potential for a brief heavy downpour, followed by some drizzle and a few scattered showers tomorrow evening. But this clears out fast. And behind this low pressure system, you can see that high pressure system taking control. You can see some of that lifting starting to take place here with this low pressure system. You can see it even better on the water vapor satellite picture. That disturbance really starting to organize. You have that surface low pressure system starting to catch up. It's a bit of a disorganized system. It's not a strong low pressure system, but it's still going to create some nuisance for tomorrow. With the passage of this low pressure system. So let's take a look at the latest model guides using the European model guides. Again, for today, high pressure and control. Temperatures rising into the upper 60s to lower 70s along the immediate coast, lower to mid 70s everywhere else. For tomorrow, that low pressure system moves through. The strongest portion of this disturbance will be in the St. Lawrence River Valley. But notice, see how this is kind of baggy in the model guidance? What's happening here is that you have your low pressure system, a primary low pressure system, shifting up towards the St. Lawrence River Valley. You have a trailing cold front, but you have waves of low pressure along that cold front because of the disturbances, mid-level disturbances, right in the northern mid-Atlantic, right around the mid-Atlantic. So what you have are waves of low pressure developing along the cold front, thus producing the threat for scattered showers continuing from the afternoon to the evening hours tomorrow. Temperatures tomorrow will range from the upper 40s to lower 50s over the interior and mid to upper 50s along the coast. High temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s in the New York City metropolitan area, lower to mid 70s in the Philadelphia metropolitan area. So definitely a very cool weather pattern for tomorrow. It's even cooler on Sunday though, with Canadian high pressure in full control continuing on through Monday. That means clear skies and light winds. That also means temperatures are going to crash. So for low temperatures on Sunday and Monday, over the interior, look for mid to upper 40s. I wouldn't rule out a few lower 40s in there as well. Along the coast, look for upper 40s to lower 50s. High temperatures in the mid to upper 60s over the interior, upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast on Sunday, and on Monday, upper 60s to lower 70s over the interior and lower to mid 70s along the coast. Generally averaging near to below normal through this upcoming weekend into early next week. Then notice this disturbance right here. This disturbance is far more organized in the polar jet stream. It's going to pack with it a little bit more moisture, more lifting, and it's going to move through the region on Tuesday with periods of rainfall. Definitely more organized than just scattered showers on Tuesday with periods of rainfall. Ahead of this low pressure system, we'll get a southeasterly wind, so we'll be a little bit warmer. As a result, looking for temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 50s for lows and mid to upper 70s for highs on Tuesday with periods of showers. I would not be surprised though if we get that steady easterly wind right along the coast if temperatures remain right in the lower to mid 70s, let's say like 72, 73, while Philadelphia ends up more around 75, 76 as this low pressure system moves through. And if this low pressure system tracks a little bit further south, then we have a persistent northeasterly wind, and that in turn would lead to more of a cool environment from the northern Atlantic, leading to temperatures more likely in the lower to mid 70s throughout the region. So we have to watch the exact track of this low pressure system. But one thing's for sure, Tuesday looks like a rather wet day, but Wednesday and Thursday will be beautiful with polar high pressure in place, clear skies, comfortable weather conditions, temperatures ranging from the upper 40s to lower 50s over the interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast for lows, high temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s over the interior, and lower to mid 70s along the coast. That's your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and LinkedIn. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.